All right, guys, Anthony Williams back here on YouTube during the scamdemic. We got a couple of different opportunities out here that have been pretty prevalent on the internet that had some $100 price points lately. But we want to talk about something that's going to be easier to fill up your Stripe and your PayPal account. Two programs that together is going to cost you about $30. I jumped into both of them. The guy that's running the program is pretty accurate on the response time. Took me about a half an hour to get everything set up. Go through your back office once he emails you back once you submit your payment. This is member to member, by the way, which is cool because it's a cash machine. I like to call them gifting programs, but they also come with some downloadable software and ebooks too. One of them that I like that you get on the $25 program is a ad blaster that shoots your ad out to close to 2,500 different websites. So, and that's pretty slick. But anyway, both of these links will be in the description of the video, so you can go down there and click. If you're on a landing page that I created, it's going to have a couple different prompts on it to join the $5 program and the $25 program. Now, with the $5 program, the Cash Cow, it's going to cost you about $10 altogether. $5 to your sponsor, which would be me, and then $5 to the admin. So that's a total of $10. Now, remember, you're only paying one time. There are no monthly fees. Let's go down here and check this out. When you join, this is what the website is going to look like if you're on YouTube. Both links will be underneath. So it's just a total of $30. Now, they do offer inside your back office an extra rotator, because that's basically what this is based off of. When you pay in, you buy in, they put you into their rotator, and everybody gets a site that looks like this. Okay, so that site will rotate, and you'll have random hits and random signups. Now, for me, I'm going to promote on my own, but the whole meat and potatoes of this opportunity, both the 25 and the 5, is that they're giving you a rotators program. So, and then also too, if you want to get extra rotator program, you can take the upgrade, and that's only one time too. So that's the other nice thing about this. So let's go through. If you did one sale a day, in the next 30 days, you'd make $150 for 30 days. So just multiply that. If you did 2 sales a day, that'd be 5. That'd be $10. Then you're looking at $300 for the month. If you did $10, if that's all you did was $10 a day. So that means you did 2 signups a day. So that's just giving you a quick chart. Okay. You're going to get a website just like this one. You're going to get an affiliate link. They also show you how to set up your Stripe account, which was very easy, very simple. You can create your own debit card, credit card, pay link, okay, which is pretty slick. Matter of fact, let me go to that. This is what it's going to look like. Now, you can't see the URL that I'm looking at, but you do have a URL. What it's going to do is this is going to give you the ability to be able to take credit card payments and debit card payments. So I've actually, because they actually show you how to set up the Stripe and your Buy Now Plus website account, which is also free. The Stripe and the Buy Now, which is a button where you're going to create a link to how to send people to buy. Okay, so that's what they're doing, actually showing you how to create in your back office once you pay your 5 and then your 25. So I'm offering it as a package, which everybody should do. You're talking about $30, 2 programs. It doesn't get any easier than that, and then you'll be getting random payments all throughout the day and evening. Okay, but the system is straightforward, man. I got to tell you, the guy did a pretty good job of laying this thing out. This is the rotator that you're going to be on, that everybody's on, and they're guaranteeing you 10 signups for $25. That's going to get you $250. And also, the same is going to be the case with the $5 program, because with the $5 program in your back office, you also have a rotator that you can join for $10. Now, for $25, they have a one-time rotator, extra rotator, where they put your links out on 10 more rotators for an extra $25. That's one time. So those are just one-time optionals that you don't have to do. You can do it on your own if you want. Promote, which I plan on doing, as you catching me here on YouTube and other ways. But if you just want to get the extra promotion, you can do that. You can go ahead on and do the upgrade if you so desire. So these are some of the things that you get with your $5 Cash Cow, okay? And you also get a list. Now, what I do appreciate, with this program, and you can use all the material, all the tools in your back office to promote any other program. So what they do, if you go into your back office, they're going to show you, okay, video steps on how to set up your payment processor. Okay, so PayPal is going to show you how to add in your PayPal. It's going to show you also video on how to add in and create a Stripe account, which I have already done. I like that fact that way we'll be able to take credit card payments. People don't want to use PayPal. So it's also very important that you set that up anyway, because PayPal can be funny about MLM commissions. You know, sometimes they have a situation where they like to freeze up accounts. Also, what you're looking at back here is a offline flyer that you can use. You can download. Okay, so the guy's giving you a bunch of tools that you can use in your back office. You also get a free bonus guide back here. Okay, you click on that. This is another ebook. It's going to open up, and you can also check out some of the strategies that he has back there for you as well. That's also free. It's a part of your $10 on the $5 cash cow. Now you also get your banners back here that you can post anywhere on other traffic exchanges, other advertising platforms that you may be using. Okay, so this is what you get in your back office of the cash cow. Okay, you also get some pre-written text ads that you can use. So obviously you're going to put your link there. Okay, copy and paste. So if you can copy and paste, guys, that's where we are today. Copy and paste, you can get paid. Okay. Patience is a virtue as well. Anytime you're dealing with network marketing, MLM, you could get blessed and where you start seeing sales right away from what you're posting. Sometimes it could take a couple of days. So, you know, it's all about stick and stay. And especially when you're talking about such a low barrier entry for 25 on the first program, and then on the $10 for the cash cow. So I jumped in both at the same time. I'm promoting both. Why not? Because now in your back office, again, he's giving you more tools, things that you can use, places that you can go to promote. Okay. And then also there are also some other things back there you can get into that he offers. It's all optional if you want to get into that, looking for more leads. And then also you're going to have a list of the top 53 best responsive solo or safe lift sites that you can use. Okay, so it's a ton of information back here. And then also Fiverr. All right, another link back here that you can also pay somebody in Fiverr to put your ad on 60 classified ad sites for $5. So you do get a lot of tools back here, not a lot of money out of pocket. That's going to return you 100-fold based on how the program is set up. Okay, so if you're on YouTube, guys, click the link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to both sites, the $5 site. Of course, this is $10 to get started with altogether. No monthly fees, okay? $5 to the admin, $5 to me, who you're going to sign up with. Same thing's going to happen for you. Then we also have our $25 cash machine. Now, let me show you one of the tools. I'm going to bring it up here on the screen. One of the tools that they give you as a downloadable product in the $25 program is the Ad Blaster. And this thing is, I put a tracking link on one of mine, and it's been pretty responsive. I have noticed hits come in off of this. You can use it as much as you want to. There is video, there is tutorial on how to set this up and how to use it. But this has been my favorite tool right here, and you can use this to blast out anything, not just the $25 cash machine and the cash cow. You can, whatever you in, okay, you can use this. This is yours to keep. It's yours in your back office. Once you sign up, they give you your login, username, and password. So let's go to the back office right now of the $25 cash machine. So transparency is the best thing for me. I always try to show everything. This way people know what they're getting, okay? So when you log in, I don't want you to trip out, because at first I tripped out. Like, hold up, man, I just paid $25 to get in this program. You telling me I got to do another $25? So what was prevalent for me back here was if you click home, they offer you another $25 10 multiplier on your rotator. So what that means is you're already in the rotator. This is a video shows you how to get into your PayPal, how to create your PayPal buttons and your Stripe. But I want to get down here quickly to the rotator. So you also have the option to get into another team rotator for an extra $25 one time. Okay, and then this gives you 5 extra permanent for unlimited income potential for your one-time payment of $25. So you can multiply your 10 with another 5 for an extra $25. This is all optional. Okay, and then that puts you into another rotator. And you get 5 more rotator links that you will be in, and all this is automated, done for you. All you just doing is paying. He will submit your links for you. Sit back, press and go. Now, if you, again, are like me, you want to go ahead and promote anyway, that I would highly recommend you do that. Just don't wait on the rotators and the system that it offers. So you get your free ebooks back here. And also, he also puts back here your $5 payment. This is the reason why I'm going ahead and offer it on the video, because I followed the steps. It was a follow me system. And I went ahead and got involved with the $5 program. It was just $10 altogether. When you talk about making infinite amounts of $5 payments, I went ahead and joined that too. That's why I'm offering it at the same time in this video. It also gives you a place to promote your business your ads. Okay, you can submit your links here. When you click on that, that will open up into another website where you can submit any ad you want, not just the cash cow or the $25 cash machine. You can just do all of these things, or you can use these for whatever. Okay, so these are just extra benefits, extra nuggets for joining the program. So as you can see, guys, the $25 program offers you some tools. Okay, so this is the $25 program. So let's go back here and click on tools, and let's just show you that right quick before we end this video, as we keep track of our time. So come back here, and that's the ad blaster. That's one click download. Okay, you can blast out your ads all day. You got an email extractor. This thing will extract emails from offline. Just put in different keywords, different website. It will pull out emails from different advertisers like you. It's an email extractor, so that is a fun tool as well. So you can harvest emails with that. You also have an booster software. You can get all it does is submit your links to search engines to get your content out there much faster. And then you also have a headline creator. I haven't really played with that too much, but also another one that I like is the backlink generator. Submit your website. We can get you backlinks. If you know anything about backlink, that's just simply having your footstep out there multiple times through the internet. That's going to also bring you generic, rich traffic. Okay. So also, these are the tools. I'm telling you, the tools back here are A1. Okay. These are all things that you can use for anything, not just this opportunity, anything, and collect unlimited payments of $25 with the $25 cash machine. And you're going to collect unlimited payments of $5 with the $5 cash cow. Now remember, the cash cow is $10 to get started, $5 to the admin, $5 to me, so on and so forth. You know how that works. And then once you do that, all the instructions are in your email. It only took me no more than 25, maybe a half an hour to get it all set up, to follow the instructions, pay attention, and do things right. So you got everything set up. So as soon as you get your links out there, you got everything set up as far as your payment processors go. So it's a really easy program, very low barrier. It's going to be hard for people to say no to this, especially with everything I just showed you that he offers you as a paid member. And there are no monthly fees. Get in the description underneath this video right now and click it and create your own stimulus money. Okay? Peace. God bless. Will and see you on the sign up side. Welcome to the team.